Hello, students. Welcome to the world of data analytics. Myself, Rajat Khandwal, and I am data analytics trainer at Prilika Services Private Limited. So, about Excel, a cornerstone in the world of data analytics, loved by beginners and experts alike. Excel remains one of the most powerful tools for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. So in this video, we will explore why Excel is indispensable for data analytics and how it can take your skills to the next level. So Excel isn't just a spreadsheet tool. It's a versatile data analytics platform. From simple calculations to complex data modeling, Excel has features that cater to every stage of the analytics process. Whether you are managing small data sets or exploring trends in the big data, Excel has got you covered. Now let's break it down. What makes Excel such a powerful tool for analytics? Talk about formulas, the backbone of Excel. So with functions like sum, average, and count, you can perform quick calculations. Advanced formulas are also there, like VLOOKUP, index match, and if statements. They enable you to find, compare, and manipulate data efficiently. And don't forget about array formulas, perfect for working with dynamic ranges. Excel shines in data visualization too. With just a few clicks, you can create bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and many more. But that's not at all. Excel's slicer and dynamic dashboards let you create interactive visual reports. With features like conditional formatting, you can make trends. Now let's talk about advanced tools, pivot tables. So pivot tables are a game changer for summarizing large data sets. With drag and drop simplicity, you can analyze data from multiple perspectives. And Power Query? So Power Query is Excel's data transformation powerhouse, perfect for cleaning, reshaping, and combining data from multiple sources. Now also talk about sorting and filtering. So sorting and filtering are essential for narrowing down your data. Excel allows you to sort data alphabetically, numerically, or even by color. With custom filters, you can isolate the exact information you need. Plus, custom views let you save different layouts for your analysis, streamlining your workflow. Even if you are looking to save some time, Excel is there for you. So Excel's macros allow you to automate some repetitive tasks. Record your actions once and Excel can repeat them with a single click. It's a simple way to boost your productivity and focus on deeper analysis. So whether you are a beginner learning the basics or the professional handling complex data sets, Excel has tools that adapt to your needs. For small businesses, it's cost-effective solution. For enterprises, it integrates seamlessly with other platforms like Power BI and some other databases platforms. So Excel is more than a tool, it's a gateway to understanding and leveraging data. By mastering Excel, you can solve problems, uncover trends, and present your findings with clarity. It's no wonder that Excel remains a cornerstone of data analytics in every industry. So, are you ready to elevate your Excel skills? Start exploring its features, practice with real world dataset, and watch your confidence grow.